Turo is like Airbnb for cars, the one-stop shop for all of your car rental needs. Today, I went to a car auction to see how cheap we could get into the business. You can buy luxury cars for Turo if you have the money, or you could spend anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 to rent out a standard car. A standard car will be a Toyota, Kia, Honda, something that is about 5 to 8 years old. Turo has rules about mileage and years of the car allowed, so we're looking to bid on any car that is a 2013 and younger and has about 100,000 miles so that we can follow the Turo regulations, because after about 12 years old here in Los Angeles, you can no longer have the car on their website. So 2013 will still give you a couple of years. The budget for me is going to be about $3,000 at this car auction. A standard car can rent for about $35 a night at 25 nights to equal $875 a month. After insurance, cleaning and stuff, I'm going to assume it's more closer to like $500 a month. I am nervous because this business seems a little risky to me. People are bad drivers, there are car accidents happening every minute of the day, so I'm not willing to spend a lot. We thought the car auction was going to be a good choice, but there's only 3 potential cars to choose from. The rest simply don't meet the age requirements, and on those 3 we ended up getting outbid. But here's a little snippet to show you how you would bid for the car. Good luck!
Come on, guys, everybody to the front right here, thank you. 15, 16, 17, in the front 19, 2000, 2000.
The car auction people are super nice, and it's a very straightforward procedure. If you don't get outbid and you're the highest bidder, then great, you win the car. It's very straightforward, very simple. The only nerve-wracking thing is like having to beat out like 50 other people. But everyone was super nice, very respectful. If you're interested in going to Turo, I'd suggest looking at car auctions. Just remember, there's no guarantees. It's just like if you buy it from like Craigslist or Facebook. There's a little bit of a, ooh, will it break, will it not break? Who knows, right? But I don't think I will continue on with like this Turo venture. I was thinking about it a little more. It's a good experience, but we just got the house, we have the Airbnb project, we have construction coming up. It's going to be a lot of work, and I don't know if I want to necessarily put more work on my plate, so I'm going to put that on hold at the moment. But yeah, it was a good experience. So like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.